on the floor. Baby, I know you need me. I need you.
What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. How are you doing? How is your day moving for you? Yeah, I am trading binary options and we are on gold OTC charts. So let's see if we can get any moves. Traders, tell me, how has your day been? How has your day been? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? I mean, you are a trader because you're really looking at the market. You're not a trader because you know trading. Become a serious trader when you're consistently looking at your charts. I had a beautiful day. So traders, mark your attendance. Tell me, how has your day been? Because mine has been great. And it's still moving well. Still moving well. Like how I'm seeing gold. Gold is moving upwards. So let's see if we can get any entry already. Price tab, good to see ya. Mary, good to see you, Mary. Stellar, Eto'd, okay. Daniel, good to have you all. Guys, don't come for me. Sometimes the names are hard for me. The names are hard for me, but much love from here. Continue marking your attendance. Tell me, guys, how has your day been? Israel, good to see ya. Lucas, good to have you. Osha, good to see ya. Good to have you guys. So gold has been trending upwards, as you can see, current market structure, and our first entry has locked in. The market has just taken out the most recent high. So we can start anticipating a pullback. Like I always tell you, a pullback doesn't happen immediately. The market has to give you more confirmation for you to believe that the pullback is in. You don't just see one single red candle in a bullish market and you assume it's a pullback.
I know you hard, I know that you a killer. I know you started off a dope dealer, but let your guard down. Your niggas know you feel up. What you want, baby? All I want is you. So what you trying to do?
Declan, good to see you. Tibara from Budapest, good to have you guys. Tell me, how have you spent your day today? How are you spending your day today? Guys, to be honest, I had a beautiful day. I just had a great day, to be honest. Great. I always tell you, the days I spend with family, they are like top-notch quality time. So that's exactly what I did. Queen, good to see ya. We are going to continue buying the market because you can clearly see structure is bullish and the market is still giving us bullish confirmation entries. So let's see how this one goes. We all know traders that my strategy is price action, and with price action, understanding market structure is key because that's where you're gonna be seeing turning points in the markets.
When you buy up off the ground, for them fake them and a king a clown. Only thinking about themselves.
Good to see ya. Theo, good to have you. Cameron in the building, good to see you. Good to see you all, guys. I want to know how you spent your day. Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? All weekends are for chilling and family time. I need to be updated. Michael, you are in the building. Good to see you. Theo, thank you. Thank you, guys. I mean, same Ivy. Changing the look somehow. This is the Trading Assembly Traders. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, you're free to ask any trading question. We are still taking buys, but the market is still clearly bullish until it gives me a bearish confirmation. That's when I can switch my bias. And guys, when it comes to trading, if you are in a trendy market, you can trade entries that are in line with a trend, but at the same time, you can take pullback entries. It's all about you looking for confirmation, and when you get a confirmation, you don't hesitate to execute. That's how it should be. That's how it should always be for you whenever you're trading. So traders, you tell me why you just. I know some traders actually at some point I used to be like that, where weekends I'm just not looking at the markets. But these days, no days off. Goals are big. I don't think I want to take day off.
$1,000 sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 over 3.
Fred Wells, good to see ya. Ivy Monroe, good to have you. Tick, good to see ya. Avery, good to have you. Stefan, good to see ya. Helen, Becky, good to have you all. Good to have you all, traders. Good to have you all. Tell me how you spent your day today. What's your name on it?
Strawberry lingerie.
Hey.
Waiting for you, strawberry lingerie.
Right.
Told me you want away. Mess around, put the down on you.
Emeka, good to see ya. Cameron, like honestly, like I always tell you guys, me when it comes to consistency, it's what really changed trading for me. And consistency means showing up every day. I mean, that's how I define it for my case. I have to show up because actually some day-offs, I feel like there is an edge you lose. If the markets are moving, there's no reason for you to take day-offs. There's no reason for you to take day-offs. But you can always do what you want as a trader. What is really comfortable for you is what you should stick to. Taking a day off is okay, but taking a week off, nah, guys, don't do that. A whole week is a lot for a trader. I feel like, especially if you have really not yet mastered your edge, I feel like the time you come back to the market, sometimes it could feel new, different, hard. Yeah, sometimes the markets feel hard because of that. You're inconsistent. You look at the market once in a while. Obviously, you can't compete with someone who shows up every day. Yeah, okay, that's right for him. But when it comes to trading, guys, remember it's a personal thing. Trading is a personal journey. Me personally, the days, like I always tell you, when you blow your account, that is the times when most times traders tend to take some time off the market because you want to get capital to come back. So by the time you come back, you're going to find yourself the markets. It's like you're starting again. I feel like you'll be starting up fresh. So showing up every day, I feel it's better compared to, especially for your psychology, honestly. It is the easiest way you can work with your trading psychology by showing up every now and then for yourself. So I feel like showing up every day, showing up, that's how your edge is gonna be better. And we all know, guys, trading is a skill. So the more you show up every day, the better your skill is getting at, and the more you practice, the better your skill is getting at. Like I told you, most of the times, our discipline problems, they come from being inconsistent, and it's only consistency that can save you from that. Like fear of the market. I mean, you cannot say you're going to stop fearing the market if you're showing up like once in a week or like once in a month, or maybe 1 week you're consistent, then the next week you are not consistent, you're off. That fear of the market is going to continue being with you until you really have a certain level of consistency. Like in a month, you have missed about 2 days or 3. It's different. And guys, when I talk about consistency and showing up every now and then, I don't mean like we're going to spend the entire day on the charts. No. You can just pick in your day or any trading session, and you pick about 2 hours or 3, or at most 6. If you're really a full-time trader, you can pick a little bit more time. But the goal is to show up every day, and you're really looking at the charts. Anytime you wake up, guys, look at your charts, because why not? The more you're going to be looking at your charts, the better you're going to be seeing the markets. There are things that you're going to see in the market, and it's only you that can define them. Yeah, I have those moments whereby I can only just explain that by myself. And we all know if you're consistent with your trading time. That's I mean, like every day you pick a particular time and you're consistent with it, you're going to be looking at the market, and you're going to be seeing actually how the market reacts. Guys, when I was starting out to trade, I was trading Euro USD. And believe me, since I was consistent with a particular session, it reached a time the market would react. At that particular time, it would be reacting differently, like something, markets are unique, but every moment is unique. So I started capturing that moment, but it's not something that someone could just easily just have told you or anything. It is something that I could see, I had seen, because I was consistent and showing up every day, and I was able to capture that move. So that's the beauty of being consistent. There are some things you're gonna see by yourself. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Oh my goodness. So won't you let us get another move. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. Yeah, we are always here to learn and catch up as traders. Tell me, how has your day been? Did you look at your charts? All weekends are no zone for the market. You're chilling. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of. Boy, make me believe. Oh, hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful? And it's easy to see. If it's meant to be,
Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be. So come on.
Oh, yeah. Alright, 20s are locked in. Let's see if we can get any move, any other move. Maybe we don't.
Maybe we will, maybe we won't. But if it's meant to be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be.
We can trade 6 hours. I mean, 6 hours, it's fair enough. But if honestly you are, okay, from my own experience, I believe 12 hours, it's a lot in the market. We're supposed to just pick a particular time, you just lock in. I feel like 12 hours, it's a lot for you to be fully locked in. So you pick a particular time and you're fully locked in this particular time. So the shorter, I feel like if it's about 4 hours, 6, it's okay. But 12 hours. But anyways, if you are a beginner, 12 hours are very okay. I'm understanding that there you're really analyzing the market. 12 hours are okay. As long as you're really analyzing the market, watching the market. Since morning I've been Why you gotta be so rude? But honestly, that's how I can relate to that also. When I was starting out to trade, I would spend a lot of time in the market. Actually, when I started on a real account, I was a better trader, but we all know once you test losses from the market, everything changes. My psychology got bad because when I was starting out as a trader fresh on a real account, I would actually trade for like about 1 hour. I rest, then maybe later I look at my chart again, I trade about 2 hours and I rest. But we all know once your psychology gets messed up, you start failing, doubting yourself. So in that process, I would spend a lot of time looking for trades, fearing to execute. So it would take long. Then I had sessions of trading at the same time learning, so I would find myself spending about 12 hours or even more in the chat. But anyway, all that paid off. That's one thing I can say. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Osha, from learning how you execute, have been profitable the whole day. That's nice. So that means you also, when you're executing, you really added a concept of patience. Because honestly, most of the times, as traders, we are not profitable because we are impatient. Patience is really key. Yeah, and you can tell that when you find yourself, most of your trades are right, but they are not locking in profits because maybe you are really impatient and taking early entries. Because honestly, actually execution is much refined if you are patient enough to wait for an entry in your direction. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know you're meant to? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. But that's nice, Osha. I mean, I'm proud of you. Honestly, any trader that is really getting profitable, it's really nice. That's why the trading assembly is always here, guys, and you're free to ask any trading question. As long as the markets are still moving, we are locked in. So take 2 hour breaks. No, honestly, if you can fully lock in for about 2 hours or 3, because you know sometimes distractions can make you miss entries. I mean, if you're not fully really locked in your trading session, sometimes you're going to miss entries because of that. And I don't feel like if you're really trading for 6 hours, you're fully locked in, unless that session you're having it as a session of learning, because learning is totally different from a fully trading session. We all know that. So if you just taking that session as something that you're trading but mainly you're also learning, it's okay. But if it's fully your trading session, I mean, lock in 2 hours, no cutting off the noise. It is you and your charts and looking for entries. Honestly, you can't fail if you also know what you're doing. So me, honestly, that's what I was doing, and that's what I always do. I'm gonna pick a few times. I'm picking a session. I fully log in, and if I feel like that session has benefited me, I mean, I can take a break. We all became traders because of the freedom it comes with. No one is going to ask me why you're taking a break. Yeah, that's why we are traders, because of freedom, of the freedom that comes with it. You can do whatever you want as long as you're following your discipline very well. So that is part of my trading. I take breaks in between, and if I want to look at the charts again, I can do it again. My strategy is simple, guys. It's pure price action, and with pure price action, I am looking at with price action, I'm looking at first understanding the market I'm dealing with. As a trader, knowing the market conditions you are in, it is going to ease your trading and your execution, because we all know if you are in a bullish market, you're going to execute continuation entries, those are buys, or reversal entries, those are sells. And we all know reversal entries, you can see them in a bullish market when the market takes out the most recent high, that is breaking structure to the top side, and it gives you a bearish confirmation from that. It's a paradise, it's a war zone. It's a paradise, and it's a war zone. Pills and potions, we're overdosing. Angry, but I still. The other thing I always look out for whenever I'm trading with price action, it is market structure. Market structure is going to show you the turning points in the market. That's the beauty about it. So as a pure price action trader, it is really key to know those turning points, the highs and the lows. That really made a difference. Not every high or low really made sense on the charts. You look out for those highs and lows that are making sense on the charts. And in that case, I mean a high that was able to push the market down to break structure to the downside for a bearish market. And for bullish market, you're looking at the strong low that pushed the market high to break structure to the upside. So you know in that zone, those strong points are protected, and once they are invalidated, that is a sign that the market is most likely to switch structure. All you have to do now is to sit back and wait and watch. That's how you trade on facts, on prayer, on what the market is showing you, not what you really want it to, what you want the market to happen in the market, but what the market is showing you, it's what you go with. Yeah, you have to be flexible. You're watching the most recent price action, not all price action, not things that are happening a few minutes back. You're looking at the current chart and based on that to make your entries. But Cameron, what you're saying of spending 4 hours learning and 1 hour of trading, actually that is much better. I do not believe that if you're really learning no, actually, I know if you're watching a 15-minute video, guys, and you're learning how to trade, that video should not take you really 15 minutes if you're learning how to trade. It should take you about an hour because you are pausing, listening, watching every move. That is learning. So if you're spending 4 hours learning and 1 hour trading, that is very okay. That's how it should always be. Daniel, you're locked in for live, as it should be. We are all locked in for live. Bruno, good to see ya. Ahmed, good to see ya. Vivian, good to have you. Charlie. So guys, you're free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. The night is already moving smoothly. Steady. We are still moving, and we are capitalizing on this move, guys. Yeah, as a trader, you have to be willing to take the risk. Always, you have to be willing to take the risk. I mean, trading is all about that. So, if you see a move, capitalize. We all know that Ferrari would buy it, so. Ferran, you can use the donation link down in the description. Yeah, you can use that and you'll be part of the participants tonight. Stars look beautiful outside, so beautiful. Tell your mama I say sorry, I didn't bring you home early. Last night when I was a little tipsy, I know she doesn't miss me. So put on those shoes that I like, and we'll go and dance the night away. Away, yeah. Because YOLO, you only live once, so. And me, I wanna have some fun. Punja mifupa kama meloiko. Up and away we go and spend all my money on you, baby. Cause I can't take it with me when I'm there. Yes, the market is strongly bullish and it's still moving. I didn't know. No risk, no Ferrari. I mean, that's why we all got into trading. I mean, I don't think there is anyone who is trading without knowing that trading comes with a risk every Anytime you can be taken out. That's why risk management is key. You just ensure you're risking enough not to be wiped out from the market on a single trade or in a single move, but still you're really taking a risk. David, thank you. Up and away we go and spend all my money on you, baby. Guys, my candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. And me, I wanna have some fun. Up and away we go and spend all my money on you, baby. Whenever you're on your execution time frame, you have to continuously be looking out for your strategy. And with your execution time frame, you have to keep an open mind that the market is always shifting. Yeah, actually the market tends to maintain structure. All trends last longer on higher time frame compared to lower time frames, because most of the times lower time frames are facilitating movements that are happening on a higher time frame. That's why on a lower time frame, trends do not last extremely longer, because structure is always shifting. So you're going to find a lower time frame is shifting bearish to facilitate a bullish pullback on a higher time frame, to facilitate a bearish pullback on a higher time frame, which is trending upwards. And it's going to shift bullish to facilitate a bullish continuation that's happening on a higher time frame. And that's how you'll be doing your market analysis for the market to make sense for you. That's why whenever you're on execution time frame, you don't insist that the trend is bullish and it's bullish forever. It has to keep on shifting. As a trader, you have to keep an open mind, and trading what you're seeing is better than trading what you think is going to happen. You're seeing the market has broken structure, let your mindset shift to anticipating a pullback. Don't hesitate. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Yeah, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. Yeah, my Colorado, got that ring, just like Toronto. If you're not. Guys, I'm trading OTC markets, and OTC market is open 24/7. We are not limited by time on this trading assembly. You all know that. Yeah, with OTC market, we can execute anytime. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. No pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't want to be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. How do you know you are in a range? You can just see a range, guys. Anyways, I understand where you're coming from. Of course, a range market is also a consolidating market, and by that it means the market is going to pick up a particular zone, and you're going to be seeing that the charts are moving, but they are moving in between that zone. So the market moves upwards, it hits that zone, it doesn't break out, it just switches and goes and starts moving downwards. It hits the bottom of that zone. It doesn't break out of that zone, and it continues, it shifts and it trends upwards. So that's how you know that you are in a consolidating market or you are in a ranging market. It is that simple. And when it comes to seeing a consolidating, oh my God. Okay, our trade has been invalidated. Let us get another move. Damn. And when it comes to seeing a ranging market, guys, that particular zone, you're not going to draw a straight line. You have to know that it is a zone, not a straight line, that the market is going to be bouncing on a straight line. No, it's just a zone. It could break out a little, but it doesn't give you a strong breakout to confirm that the market actually is done consolidating.
She got a bad man. She not live without social media. Stalking me with a Insta, yeah. And she dey try make me a visa. Everybody got a say that Canada. She can see, give me plan B. Pregnancy is not for me. Check carefully, passionately. No try put me for trouble, yeah. She asked me, boy, what are we? We better be what we are.
Oh my God, them buyers.
And I go like JJ. I play home and and I give them and I bring my cause I give them she wanna dance with Kukuruku. Next thing she wanted me to it is impromptu. She's still coming through. She also gives emotional support. These girls don't know what they want. Sometimes they want love, also want to do short time. You can't love me, you just to waste your time. Anybody got time for that? As you can see, give me plan B. Pregnancy is not for me. Check carefully, passionately. Don't try to put me for trouble, yeah. She asked me, boy, what are we? We better be what we have been. The stress free, no fast forward me. She want that girl to be where they do JJ. And I dey ball like JJ. I dey play home and away. And I dey give them JJ. You are the people JJ. And I dey bring my JJ.
And I play
and I dey ball like JJ. I dey play home and away. And I dey give them JJ. You are the people JJ. And I dey bring my JJ. Cause I dey give them JJ.
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask a trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn and also catch up. So traders, tell me, how have you spent your day? How many traders trade weekends? All weekends at like a moment where you're like chilling. You look at your charts, Monday.
Let's break. You're gonna come to me. Here you are, but you better choose carefully.
Good to see ya. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using, guys. How long have you been trading? This is my 4th year. And reminder, guys, I'm the first in my bloodline to trade. So, yeah. Tell me, guys, how many traders do you have in your family? How many traders are in your family? Oh, you're the only trader. This is my 4th year in trading, and I look forward to be locked in for life as long as the markets are still moving. Just you. I can see we are few. So it's always us. We are the pioneers of traders in our families. I'm the only authentic. What do you mean by that? Authentic? What do you mean by that? So you wanna play with magic? Anyway, I do believe I'm the only trader in my family because by the time I got into trading, I was already not staying home. So imagine I would be getting my losses and I would be crying by myself. Oh my God.
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful. Try not to lead her on.
I have seen that you always trade when there is an engulfing. Of course, engulfing candlestick patterns are part of my entry, levels, my entry confirmation. Like I always tell you guys, I start with analyzing the market in terms of seeing which market condition is present. The other thing I look at is market structure. So when it comes to apply engulfing candlestick pattern, I'm going to trade or where it is making sense, that is in a key area. Yeah, not every engulfing candlestick pattern we are going to see on the chart is really going to be making sense. You have to be trading an engulfing candlestick pattern that is in a key area depending on your strategy. And in my case, I'm seeing it on a high or a low that is either taken out or giving me a continuation move. So that is it, and that's how you be adding candlestick pattern to your trading. And like to add more about candlestick patterns, guys, if you see like an engulfing candlestick pattern either bullish and it's followed by a green candle, that is like a double confirmation, don't hesitate. You can even capitalize in that moment because that is a very strong move. It takes a lot for two candles to close in the right direction. So that's how you be moving. Yeah, I can see, guys, you're fully locked in. I can see you're fully locked in, and that's how it should be. I also trade with other candlestick patterns like pin bars. Yeah, I also trade with pin bars, but as engulfing candlestick patterns, also with pin bars, you have to see them in key areas. Pin bars are so good to show you a reversal move entry. So if you see a bearish pin bar on top of a bullish trend, and the market has just broken structure to the top side, that is a confirmation that sellers are most likely to give you a bearish pullback. So if that bearish pin bar is followed by a red candle big enough to show momentum, that is like a double confirmation. You don't hesitate to execute, and that is the time you capitalize. There are moments in the market you can capitalize and moments you cannot capitalize, but if you have gotten double confirmations, that's when you capitalize, because no risk no risk, no Ferrari. So there are moments in the market where you capitalize and moments where you just have to take a simple trade. But you won't be the same. You're free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. This is a trading assembly. Red, good to see ya. Good to see you, Red. Ken, good to see ya. Sins, good to see ya. Good to have you all, traders. It's a beautiful day and the markets are moving. And we all know as long as they are running, we show up. Wait. So, my friend, I don't know. I am speaking English. Yeah, I'm using English.
No, you won't do the same. You wouldn't do the same. Ooh, you never do the same. No, 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 no.
What are the conditions? What are the conditions for entering? You don't understand. Oh my God. Okay, now how am I gonna tell you if you don't get it? Conditions of entering it's I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. So what you're looking for in the market is bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bearish pin bar, bullish pin bar. Then you make an entry. But to trade with those candlestick patterns, you have to be seeing them in key areas. You are seeing them in key areas. That's when you make entries. Let me hope that helps you, Mohammed. I try to keep it simple, in simple trading terms. Yeah, the market is really buyers have been cruising, so let's see how our buys close. Right, locked in, locked in. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. This is a bullish market.
I got lots of flavors. My kick game is major. More kicks than the players. Call me up, I'm scoring. Hit it like a free throw. Tongue out like I'm Jordan. Mally, come swing the thing right by me. Got a joint if you want to kiss stone. Got choppers if they want to try me. Pro athlete, I'm not no wannabe. Waitress asked how many bottles. I said 23.
J's on my feet. Damn. I don't like it. But let's see. Let us get another move. This is some big momentum from sellers, so let us see how our entries close. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We are here to learn. And you guys are quite interesting. Oh my god, you guys are interesting. Mias, you're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. Guys, when it comes to candles, honestly, I do not count. I do not really count candles that I'm counting 3 candles, then that is a pullback and it is done. then I count about 6 candles, then it's I call that a continuation and I assume it's done. I do not go by that. So what I go with whenever I'm trading, it is confirmation of highs and lows being taken out, being protected. That's what I always look out for. I know most traders, I really don't know. Actually, I think I should do research about that if it's true, because most traders, they'll be asking, do you count the number of candles when you're trading a pullback? Personally, I've never considered that. If I'm trading a pullback, I'm not counting the number of candles. I'm looking at momentum that is following up in a pullback, and I'm looking at more confirmations, like if a low is not taken out in a bullish market and the market gives you a bullish confirmation that it's getting back into a continuation, I just go by that. Because when it comes to pullbacks, the market can pull back in about 10 candles or even more. Same way, it can pull back with just three candles, but they have a lot of big momentum. So I feel like the number does not matter, but confirmations do matter.
Look what you done started. Oh, nana. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nana.
Yeah, let me hope that helps you, my dear, who asked about that. Guys, it's not about the number of candles, it's about the confirmation the market is giving you, and the confirmations are candlestick patterns in key areas. Raphael, good to see ya. Why is it that I can read your chat, but when you're on your chat you can't? Maybe that comes from, I would think, maybe you don't believe in yourself. Yeah, let me hope that doesn't really offend you, but sometimes as a trader, when you're on your own chat, because I'm saying this because I've ever experienced this, you could be knowing everything, but only what is disturbing you, it is doubting yourself. If you can see something, that means you just fear. When you're by yourself, you think you cannot make it. When you see a move, you just doubt yourself. But one thing that can really help you to overcome that, when you're really trading, do not consider executing about 40 trades in your session. You would consider starting to trade little. Maybe give yourself a target that if I could trade 5 trades today, and if 3 work out and maybe 2 went against me, it is better. But the more you keep on trading and showing up, your confidence, your trading confidence, it's going to come, and you'll stop doubting yourself. Because honestly, I really suffered with that also. In my final, actually those were the final things I really dealt with to become a better trader and a profitable trader, because I would sometimes not trade because I would not trust myself. But the more you really believe in yourself, trading gets better, because maybe now you're at the level where you know the strategy, you know everything, you know risk management, you know the highs and the lows of market, but you just fear to trade because you doubt yourself, you think you cannot make it. Try that, my friend. You guys are crazy. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. And there's a link in the description for my trading from my Telegram channel. You can use that and join a community of traders.
Let's get it straight, girl. You don't need a nigga for nothing.
Looking better every day.
Got that Benjamin Button. Claiming he don't got a girl. You know niggas be frontin'. You don't need no bitch coming up to you as a woman. Hey, and
You a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time.
You too pretty.
All right, guys, let us secure our profits. Then we get into the donation. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting in there.
You want something more than just physical. It's been a while since you met someone original. You spend your time drinking wine in your living room. All that good pussy can't find the one to give it to.
What? It's a shame.
You see me, see the squad, it's a game. You see him, it's a bum, it's a lame. But it's a difference between me and what's his name.
Hey, I swear to God, what I'm nice.
I'ma drink his Henny to the face. Fuck a condom. I'ma bring some rain rap. I can't let no good pussy go to waste. Hey, backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey,
So guys, we are ready for our donations. Let us switch back to all our participants for tonight.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to
Yeah.
make a bag, don't you?
Yeah, let me hope guys you're locked in. Someone comment locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on.
I know how to go and
Karen, you're already locked in as it should be. Joshua, good to see ya. Asha, stop spam commenting. Stop spam commenting.
Backing it up. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up. Yeah, backing it up. Throw that money over here, nigga. That's
Just
the
one
vibe.
attempt for our first
Hey,
participant. So let us lock it in.
Down on the bitch, she almost pissed on her leg. Bitches think they fucking with me, must be sick in the head. Why don't you chill with the beef? They get some chicken instead. Got the crown, shut it down, had it hype up in the city. If she dead, let her lay, won't bring no life into this bitch. This girl should be a snitch. You should call me Cinnamon. Gotta be bad bitch.
This is already going in our direction.
See who got it.
I really love such entries. If only all entries would move like this, trading would be fun. And our psychology would be 100% orange. Okay, let me see that. Congratulations to Findy. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away.
I know how to go and get it back, don't I? I know how to get a bitch back, don't I? Me and my ex wanna get it back. That's the fact, yeah, a lot of other bitches in the back, yeah.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up.
Let me see more congrats. Let me see more congrats, guys, for our first participant for tonight. What you say? What you say?
Dice pineapple. Tonight you shall reach a height that the sky won't catch you. The highest form of my admiration. I ain't no connoisseur, but I'm kind of sure you will admire my tasting before the sun grazes you. I'm trying to see how deep you are. And believe me, shawty, I ain't talking about no intimate conversation. I want to see if I can make you reach things unattainable when I peek into your nature. And I promise you my goals will exceed any physical pleasure. I want to give you what's better than better. The better my effort, the wetter her treasure. The more these mere moments seem like heavens or temporary forevers. Shawty, get it together. Dice pineapple. May your love come down so my mind might have you.
Oh my darling, you're welcome. You're welcome, my dear. Yeah, guys, we move on to our next.
Progress, baby. Let it all drip, baby. Stop that shaking. And we're talking, baby. And we're talking, baby. Shawty so fine. Pussy so fresh.
All right, let me see type congratulations to Every. Another entry locked in, just one attempt, and we have locked it in. Dear Music, good to see ya. Mark the Trader, good to have you.
Sex all night, couple shots of Ciroc. Crib on the water, got LeBron up the block. Money ain't a thing, baby. Welcome to
yeah, let me see type congratulations to Every. Yeah, let me see type congrats to Every.
Double MG, the mother niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call it.
Feels better when you let it out, lonely girl.
Girl, it's easy to get caught up in the moment.
When you say 'cause you're mad.
You take it all back. And we fuck all night till things get right. Then we fuck all night till things get right.
Shawty so fine, pussy so fresh. Dice pineapples.
Barbara, good to see you. Grace, good to see you. Good to see you all,
She know how
guys.
to make me smile and she do it with the sex. Pop bottles, make love, thug passion. Red bottoms, Montclair, high fashion. Belt buckles, door
I mean,
handles, gold
all our
plated.
participants
Oh,
gone
man,
cruise,
rich denim,
gone cruise.
Vegas, French Riviera, baby girl, let's
Yeah.
take a trip. I'm a trip.
You know,
go
that's
to
how we
Cannes
do
first to
it.
catch a flick. Baby, listen. This
This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question, and if you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations are not financial investments, we all know. It is purely for trading and learning and learning purposes. Yeah, and you know we are always here to learn.
Then we fuck all night till things get right.
Something about it probably can't live without.
Samuel, you must like it.
Sour, let me kiss on the fountain. Mission accomplished. You increasing your heart rate, and I won't ever rest. We meet at the peak of your mountain. Eager to show you, thinking that I should know you. You eager to work, perfect. I can't employ you. Designer shit.
Mason, all right. You can also send me. You can also send me a picture on my Telegram for double confirmation. And guys, if you made a donation, of course you're gonna be added on the list right away.
Sweet as you. Let me see some proof. Fuck making pussy talk. I like to make it sing a tune.
You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away.
We don't need a phone.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call it. Feels better when you let it out, lonely girl. Girl, it's easy to get caught up in the moment. When you say 'cause you're mad and you take it all back. We fuck all night till things get right. We fuck all night till things get right.
So guys, we are moving on to our next participant, Lachelle.
I took a pill in Ibiza.
So let's see if we can get any move.
And when I finally got sober, felt 10
So this is a bearish. The market is shifting bearish. You can see try to pull back, fail to take out a high, and it continuing downwards. Yeah, and once you see the market taking out a low with a candle closure, because right now you can see a candle has closed below the previous low, that is a sign of a valid break of structure. So here you can start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. You do not just see one green candle, you assume it's a pullback. You assume it's a pullback. Pullbacks have to give you more confirmations, just not one single green candle or what. Yeah, that's how you be analyzing market structure. So you did see this to be a bearish market. When the market gives us a bullish pullback and it takes out the high, from there your mind should already shift bullish buyers in the market. That's it. Bulls are coming on. They're taking on. That's how you be always analyzing the market. It's something you do over and over again from the start of your session to the end. Your mindset has to be looking at the market in an analytical way.
Who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers, cause my name's a reminder of a pop song people forgot. And I can't keep.
So our first entry is in, and this is a pullback move, guys. So let's see how it closes. Beautifully locked in. So one atom to go.
feelings like off that roller coaster and be all alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this. Never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station. Stuck up on that station. Oh, I know. Sad soul. Sad soul. Darling, oh, I know.
And guys, the beauty about knowing the strong highs and the strong lows in the market, it's going to help you know that even when the market could be giving you movements, if it's in between those highs and lows, you can easily make an entry decision. So that's why it is important to know the strong high and the strong low for every market condition you're dealing with, because that's where the market is either moving to take out that high or that low. So we are getting just one attempt. Let us wait for one attempt.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy yes. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, straight me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me no chaser. Yeah,
Star boy for me number one.
Man, me tune drop the girls that bounce along. Me don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in, I place me on that taker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come close.
So let us sell again because why not? This is our second attempt. So guys, let us watch out and see how the market. Okay, we're already having two candles closing below.
Become clean like me coming on my video. Become through like a soldier.
Guys, let me see type congratulations to our participant. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are in. 2 attempts are in.
You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, you got that thing, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, yeah.
And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Yeah, baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
So we go on to our next. We go on to our next. You guys keep me happy, to be honest. You're so interesting.
Around me, I need to change my life. I just turned colder.
Raphael, thank you.
What would I do without you, my Georgie?
Someone is saying how many boyfriends you have. Guys, you want to retire me? I thought we are all locked in for the market. I mean, if it's not the market, then what are we doing? We are all locked in for life. Things of love will come after. But for now, we are still locking in.
Your hair smell like the tropics, your body nice. One fuck can't hold me, we gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just tell me what you like. I wanna put you in my life. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, yeah.
I mean, guys, we all have one appreciating value. I'm an appreciating asset. So every now and then I'm increasing in value. So, of course, 300K is a must. And other things are coming up. So it's better we just lock in, guys. We just lock in. And this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn. And also catching up is a must. Because if you are not catching up, what are we doing? Market is strongly falling down. Yeah, this is a strong bearish market. Okay, we're getting a bullish pullback right away. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, I didn't see this coming. Damn. What the hell? I honestly don't like entries that are taken out by low momentum moves. But you know how we do it? I refund if I take a loss on the first attempt. So let us try again. Let us refund and try again.
The last time that I checked, now before I digress, my girl, you told me that I'm not your love interest. See, my girl, the last time that I checked, see, nothing ain't changed yet. Except that I got a big bag and a big flag. Give me nonsense, my nigga. Streets is so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga. The streets is so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. That's like my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want it, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside, my brother. I just want it, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala.
Yeah, guys, we have Ivy Monroe, part of our participants for tonight. These sellers are onto something. They are still giving us moves. They are still giving us moves. The market is still falling, so let's see if we can capitalize and cruise with them, or get a pullback entry against the trend. Anything that we see and it is in line with our strategy, it's what we are gonna take. Whenever you're in a bearish market, you can take both buys and sells. What matters are your confirmations.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want you, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala.
It's so cold outside, my brother.
Yeah, I know the heat and my brother. I just want you, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside.
Sellers are onto something, guys. Do you agree? They're really onto something. Someone comment down in the deep, because that's where they are taking this market.
I know they let nothing to worry me. I know they let nothing to bother me. They no owe no one apology. You know, say she don't know they bother nobody.
So we are continuing with the sellers. Let's see how our continuation entry is gonna go. I'm already liking what I'm looking at. Hey. Okay. Down in the deep. That's where this market is heading, no lie. You know the beauty about trading with an open mind is to never assume that because the market has given you a few pullbacks that the market is done trending. Whenever you are in a trending market, you have two options. Actually, you just have an option of following it. There is nothing like an oversold market or overbought market. So you always keep that in mind. So even when you get into a pullback entry, you should keep that open mind that yes, this is a pullback entry, but the market is still trending downwards until I get a better confirmation. And that is the market taking out for this bearish market, it's taking out a high. If it doesn't take out that high, please keep your mind open that it is still trending downwards.
Certain things you just don't lose. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose.
All right, guys, let me set up. Congratulations. We have hit our target. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Unless I stuck by you.
You're the sunflower.
You're the sunflower.
Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. I'm fighting for my trust, so you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone.
So we are going on to our next. To our next.
But it's out of my control. You'll be left in the dust.
Interesting.
Unless I start fire. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much. Or you'll be left in the dust. Unless I start fire.
Interesting.
You're the sunflower.
You're the sunflower. The minimum for donations, guys, it's 400, and you can use the donation link down in the description.
But I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. Oh, I don't know what you had meant to do tonight, but I just wanna be the one to do you right. We're sitting here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. You said you came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell you ain't wrong. Come on, just baby, try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby, love me like it, baby.
So let us get another attempt.
Baby, come and get it, try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame.
Let us get another attempt.
We're all alone, baby girl, we should love her. Oh, it don't really matter, 'cause I got this to get to know you better.
Baby, baby,
Let's make what we got here last forever. Girl, 'cause I don't want to let you go. Never. I don't know what you had planned to do tonight. Girl, I just wanna be the one to do you right, right. We're sitting here looking at each other,
baby, eye to eye. So this is our second attempt,
thinking about leaving with me
and
tonight.
we're already moving. We're already moving.
Came from love in the club, 'cause I want to try a new thing.
Just one attempt to go.
You gon' be my baby, love me like a crazy. Tell me if you with it, baby, come and get it, try a new thing. Baby, try to do is try a new thing.
Home plate, World Series, our niggas sliding in a. Baby, I'm a boss, I'm talking George Steinbrenner, Panamera, Yogi Berra, my two-seater, Derek Jeter, got more stripes than all these niggas, baby, ballin' in the Beamer, collar on my
This is a
collar.
trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. I am trading OTC market, and OTC market is open 24/7, so we are not limited by time. Anytime you can trade. Try a new thing.
You gon' be my baby, my baby. Tell me if you ready, baby. Come and get it, try a new thing, and let's rock a new thing.
Barbara, thank you guys. You're quite interesting. No, actually, you're just crazy. Yeah, you're crazy in a nice way. Uh-huh. So we are getting one attempt left.
I feel like you're an angel in a demon body. That's why me not hesitate to screw you. She walked through the hallway with a sainted body. Call on make a man knows them. Can you?
Wow, look at this momentum. Look at this momentum. Such entries really. The next trading interesting. So let me see guys type. Let me see type congratulations to Nivara. Yeah, three attempts are locked in. Yeah, patience has really paid off. Patience. Don't rush to take entries. You wait for a move in your line. Yeah, most of the time such moves they work out for you.
From me, c'est la vie, hasta la vie, looking pretty, me need it now, ooh baby, cuckoo kill me, my carry, cuckoo kill me now, ooh, cuckoo beat it, on her knees, she said now we now, oh me lara, oh my ama, lo me lara, oh, to pano pare, oh my camilara, oh. I'm a woman, me lara, oh. Sweet Cuban girl, she want another. She give herself to me and she wants me to share her. Finish with her, she tell me thank you. Email her, email her. Can you move to the reggae no be blues and no? Yeah. Make us no.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Congrats to our participants. So we go to Ivy Monroe. On to our next participant. Guys, wish Ivy Monroe luck. Yeah, we just need 3 attempts to get locked in. Mason, if you sent the donation, you're gonna be obviously added on the list. Yeah, you're gonna be added on the list in a few.
Looking pretty, we need it now. Cuckoo kill me, but cuckoo kill me now. Cuckoo beat it on her knees. She said now we now.
Oh yeah. This is a continuation move, guys. You can see buyers have been giving us a crazy run here. First attempt is in.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Fucking 2 bitches at one time. Couldn't make me choose if it depended on my life. One's half Spanish and one's half white. Ooh, and my tattoo is on her body. There's no control in
Yes, we can get another move. 1 is locked in, 2 to go. 1 is locked in, 2 more to go.
I can put 10 on the floor if you like it. If y'all keep fucking me more than you might be. Y'all want me to lose my mind. All I can think about is your booties. Y'all riding me like Suzuki's. Not saying y'all never do this, but tonight y'all doing it to me. And I said, oh, my hands all on her. body. Try control, I can't control it when she's off that. When she's off that mind, off that. When she's
Let us
off
watch
that
out.
mind. When she's talking that soft, talking hard to get her off me. Oh, you like it? I can put 10 on the floor if you like it.
All right. This is already giving us some. Oh, beautiful. Locked in. Locked in. Just one attempt to go. Just one attempt to go. Cameron, I love that. Some are more profitable than others. Yeah, some are more profitable than others. And actually, what made me lock in more a little bit, guys, what hurt me most, I met someone, a friend, that joined trading after me, meaning I joined trading 2022. And for them, I believe they joined a year after me. They were already profitable. That thing really hurt me. I had to lock in more because I had to get it. So same here. I know some traders are more profitable than others, but if you're not profitable, all you have to do is to lock in. All you have to do is to lock in more. That's a fact. Don't accept to remain behind. This is a trading assembly. We are going forward, so it doesn't matter what level you are at. All you have to do is to lock in as long as you're in this trading assembly. So this is our final attempt. Wow, buyers are giving us the moves. Oh, we have to try again now. So guys, we are getting another attempt. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, damn. My final attempt has gone against me, damn. And such entries really are not funny, where you get taken out and the market continues in your direction. Ivy, I'm sorry about that. Ivy Monroe, sorry about that. Let us move on to our next. Guys, I do not trade one asset. I trade pairs that are really moving. Today you're seeing your gold chart. Yeah, you can see me the next day on Brent oil. You can see me on a currency pair. I do trade charts that are really moving. Yeah, I do not like to really lock myself on one chart. Some days you can find a particular asset is not moving, or it is moving but not with the momentum you would want to be trading with. It is always okay to shift to a moving pair. I mean, trading, you're not supposed to force things. You're supposed to go with what is comfortable for you. Ivy, next time better. Losses are part of the game. Wow, I'm loving what I'm seeing right now. Okay, let me see type congrats to Leo. Let me see type congrats to Leo, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. The minimum for donations is 400, and you can use the donation link down in the description to be part of the participants.
Shorty, my little old thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on the covers. And I kept it on the cover. Cause I don't kiss and tell. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
Sorry, mama nasty.
See the pussy through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like Nefertiti. Oh, my little mama, she ain't pretty. And we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cut to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need. From Chanel to Celine, it's on you to the side. Valentino, yeah, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breasts. I ain't wanna give you a baby.
Leo, congrats, my dear. Michael, good to see ya. Athens, good to see ya. KZ, good to see ya. Daniel, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question.
I nutted on the covers, and I kept it on the cover. Cause I don't kiss and tell. You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing, I ain't even gonna lie.
Mason, I'm going to confirm your donations and I'm going to trade it tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow you're gonna be added on the participants. I'm gonna confirm it later.
Honestly, I feel about you at this pain. If there's something on your mind, to tell me. And if I told you it's on mine, you probably won't see the bigger picture. It's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'm gonna keep you looking like a
the Incat I'm using it's Scouting and channel and I'm using it with its default settings. Yeah, reminder guys, I do not trade with only the indicator. I back it up with my trading strategy, which is pure price action for life.
She just get virgin. She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. I know she can't stand me, I'm fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I get my
Granny.
Late night sex, she can find pennies. Couldn't hold it in, now she need a plan B. Shorty a little baddie. She my little pool thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers. And I kept it on the cover, cause I don't kiss and tell.
Okay, we are looking for our second attempt. Yeah. Structure is trending upwards. So let's see if we can get a move. Grace, you're locked in for life. That's how it should be. Coffee, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time.
he'll be so vicious. My God, why he in my pocket? You get me redder than the devil till I go. Now she asks me if I do this every day.
I say you often.
That's how many times she wrote the wave, not so often.
Yeah, guys, whenever you're really on your trading session, the best way you can really lock in without any distractions, you can create an environment that is favorable for you. Me, normally, whenever I am trading, I prefer to play some music that it helps me to fully lock in, and I also do not trade with guys around me. You cannot find me midway trading, and I'm also having conversations with non-traders. So the time I really trade with people, it is when people around me. That is only when I am with fellow traders, and we are really just analyzing the market. Yeah, I don't like trading around people that are not locked in. I don't like missing out entries. Actually, guys, traders tell me, from my own experience, I really find it From my own experience, I feel like missing out a trade hurts me more than taking a loss. Honestly, if I was really anticipating a move to happen in a particular zone, and it really does happen and it goes in my direction, and I really didn't take that trade in that area, I would feel so bad compared to just actually taking a loss. And I do believe that is how your psychology gets damaged, because you're gonna keep on blaming yourself for missing that trade. Okay, that's from my own experience. So that's why whenever I'm trading, I am really fully locked in, continuously looking at the charts, what is happening, what is going on. Trading is such a lonely profession. That's true. Yeah, most of the days you are alone. It's just you and you. It is always you. Oh my God. No other way around. Losses damage the spirit and the soul. No, actually, I'm not saying losses do not damage the spirit and the soul. But if I'm to really put taking a loss and also missing out an entry, me from my own experience, I would missing out an entry, I'm going to keep on blaming myself. Okay, then when I was just starting out to trade, I would blame myself more if I really didn't take the entry. Or maybe when I was gonna trade, then I got distracted by someone for about 15 minutes or less or more. Then I get on my charts, then I look at the charts and I see the market has moved and I see all the entries I could have taken. That would really hurt me more compared if I was really in the market and I took a few losses, because losses are really part of the game. Yeah, losses are part of the game. Taking a few losses actually shouldn't make you hate trading. The losses that really damage the spirit are the losses whereby you risked your entire account and you don't know when you're gonna get your next capital. Such losses really do hurt. Or maybe the capital you are trading, you are already attached to it. With trading, you're supposed to trade capital that you're already willing to lose. So if you're trading capital that you're already attached to it emotionally, that's when losses are gonna be so much damaging. Yeah, that is from my own experience. Missed entries, they hurt me more than just a few losses. If this is good enough for you, already falling for you, already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you, already falling for you, already falling for you. No matter what you do, switch the story. So guys, this is our final attempt. Let's see how patience has paid off. And I will still choose And this is already moving well.
I don't need no more empty promises. Promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers from my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved on me when you started? I'll be here begging for you. You should be.
So guys, let me see type congratulations to Lucas. 3 attempts are in.
So if you wanna go that way, I'll be waiting for you to come pick up your clothes. I have them for you. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting cold outside. So come pick up your clothes. I have them for you. So come pick up your clothes. I have them for you. Meet me at my door.
Till rain.
I know it's getting cold out, but tell me that it's not. So come pick up your clothes. I have them for you.
Lucas, welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. I mean, it's gonna be a good weekend for you. Yeah, you're welcome. If this is good enough for you.
I was so high on my mind, I thought I wasn't gonna see tomorrow. Thinking 10 toes down with my head up.
I was talking to Slam and I said, I think I asked him, do he think I could do something? And he's like, bro, is you fucking crazy? And he's like, yeah. And he said some other shit behind it.
Reporting straight out of the slums. From rags to riches, I got me some bitches and I change up how I come.
And the drop when your pockets got mumps.
These niggas believing in nothing.
Rain on my sack, you know I ain't dumb. Wherever I'm
Oh
going,
my
I
god,
put the
Sell us down to something.
Motherfuckers had to make it. I never let them take it.
Oh my god.
So that bitch that I'm leaving some
My first attempt is boxing and L. So let's actually find and try again.
Feel like they don't feel me now.
You know how we do it. If I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try
I
again.
can't stop now. I can't.
No, I won't let you waste my time.
Surrounded by some millionaires.
And I know I won't be one when I walk off. Feel like I can be a trillion now.
Yeah, I'ma be the one that they talk about. I'll be the one they talk about. I'll be the one they envy. Hate it when they made that struggle. I see a nigga in the trenches. When he had a few nightmares, nigga just left off of me.
We are on to our next participant. So let us get another move.
Made nigga feel like Joplin. Just got on the phone with a boss, though. Know the young nigga gon' kill some. I wanna give me a meal ticket. My young niggas wanna get murdered, so gotta go give me a meal. You spend half of it on a convertible. Jumped out the porch, no daddy. Had to go and get mine at the gutter. Came up pouring ashy. Now nigga take care of my mother. Wish I had a curl success. Hate to see my sister suffer. You can never put a price on how much I love her.
Surrounded by some millionaires. And I know I won't be one when I walk off. Feel like I can be a trillion now. Yeah, I'm gonna be
This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question.
Feel like they don't feel me now.
Alright, sellers are doing it for us here.
I'm steps away, I can't stop now.
Two candles closing already below our entry. This is a good sign. Let's see. Okay, first attempt is in. We get a second.
I care about my brother, yeah. Sleep on the floor, yeah. It's kicking the door, yeah. I finesse with the bro, yeah.
important to go.
Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like me, not like it.
This is already going in our direction. I love this. This is the trading assembly, and my strategy is simple: pure price action. Yeah, pure price action. So let me say type congratulations to Stella Winter.
To give me something that I never had, something that you never.
Let me see type congratulations. Yeah, to Stella.
Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me happy work. You see me do me da. So me better work.
Guys, let us type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, and all the participants that didn't go well, next time better. Losses are part of trading. Yeah, next time better. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. This is a trading assembly. I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. We take the days off. We gotta lock in the markets every day. Guys, I have a Telegram. I have a Signal. I have a Signal group. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. Then I'll add you in the Signal group. Right away, you can write to me via my Telegram with proof. There's a link down in the description for it, and I'll definitely add you to the Signal group. If you want to win, I'll still choose you.
I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come,
you're welcome, Stella. Good to always have you. If you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link down in the description. I love you so much, guys. So let us catch up tomorrow, same time. Good night.